These 5 free AI tools will blow your mind and they are 100% free to use. Let us go. First up, ChatGPT, perfect for writing emails, blog posts, resumes, and even jokes. Just ask, and it delivers instantly. Go to chat.openai.com and try it out. Next, Canva AI, design like a pro even with zero skills. Use Magic Write and AI image tools for posters, thumbnails, or social posts. Just head to canva.com. Third, Pictory AI, want to create videos like this without showing your face? Pictory turns text into professional videos with stock footage and AI voiceovers. Fourth, Free TTS. This free text-to-speech tool gives you studio-quality voiceovers for your content or YouTube videos. No mic needed. And fifth, Notion AI, students and creators love this. Summarize notes, brainstorm ideas, or write blog drafts all inside Notion. All links are in the description. Like, share, and subscribe for more AI hacks from Bot and beyond.